the Lumba legal wife, Mammy Akosua Serwaa file case DT Abusuapanin Kofi so na fe Odo Broni Abusia Sisia na case in our high court as a and that the Lumba Abusuapanin Kofi so see form free court to them pay and an enemu mirika baba at the end of Beba Abusuapanin a free court yafra court wako court we see from a woody mirika echo na ye court no wura court to them hoba ye no and a lawyer would jinam de Mammy Akosua Serwaa say and some nurse court hono a chain cray a bin da.
Some of the issues are so basic legally that I'm not sure it's worth litigating upon, because the authorities are quite straightforward about who a wife is. And so if we get someone from a high place to sit down with us, I believe we should be able to sit down. Look, we are committed to protecting the integrity of Lumba. And we are ready to work within time to ensure that on the day that has been set, the funeral comes. And that is our project. And that's what we are going to do.
In the posture of the defendant, especially when they sought to file a challenge, capacity of challenge before the court, and the court's attention was brought to the fact that it hasn't been said.
Yes.
How would you read the posture of your defendant?
That is an attempt to frustrate the whole process. Okay. You see, we served the first defendant on the 5th of October. And all through the process, they filed no process. On the 13th, they filed a conditional appearance, and then he came to court holding a motion that he has filed a motion this morning. The court was a little bit magnanimous on them. They should have mocked them with cost for that behavior. But hey, this is virtually an estate or matrimonial issue. So she has also warned that going forward should be charging lawyers for those kind of practices. So I'm very hopeful.
Are you concerned about what we are reading in the media? Some bloggers, some parties engaging bloggers doing their bailing, their defense, and all those things. Are you concerned about how they are trying to soil the image of the person?
The media space has changed. It's a reality of today's world. And so you can't expect that you can control everybody. So we are managing. That's why occasionally we'll come and explain and clear the air what we are doing. Otherwise, we wouldn't even be interested in coming out to say anything. But occasionally you have to come and clear the air so that people would understand. And I think it has worked well. Those who started that propaganda are now quelling because the truth is coming out. Yeah. The unfortunate thing is that there are new developments which are not palatable, you see. Report to the police and all that. But we will ensure that the right thing is done.
Lawyer, what's going through the minds of your client in all this?
She's so disappointed. She wished it never happened. Unfortunately, you know the posture of the head of family from the beginning. That is the cause of the problem. If letters are written to you, denying of your right as a wife, I'm sure that you can't just sleep and let it pass by. So that is the originating. I have the sister of Lumba here. And she represented Akosua Serwaa in court today. And this demonstrates the kind of love the family has for Akosua Serwaa. You get the point. So those out there who are making noise and making statements, they need to understand how all these things played out. And they should know that Akosua Serwaa is the victim, not Odo Broni. This is what we want to impress upon the country. It's Akosua Serwaa who is the victim, having suffered desertion for 15 years, with 3 kids, managing them in an icy land. You think that is easy? So people should appreciate their concerns so that we can resolve this issue.
Do you foresee this traveling to December, this case? Do you foresee?
No, the judge has given us a promise. And in fact, that is something that I was very desirous to tell the court, that the court should give us a timetable that will resolve the issue before December so that the funeral can go. And the judge agrees with us. And she has promised us, so no problem at all. And the court said, lawyers in Ibi are filing krata And until you see a trainer, you have a sankrata no answer. But I could be an opera no file. Or say or challenging capacity. A casual big capacity. Next is a person says Akosua Serwaa we need to meet so timid assembly backward. Some general who quite child person just 1 year. That's what the application is. But Abusuapanin Kroya lawyer and the buy. And the court is over tea. Uti and we are. Now you move on injunction. A quite before so dear 7 or my bear 1 month ready dear with no free home. Yeah, next quarter 28th of this month. But we are too experienced to allow them to do that. You get the point. We are too experienced. And then I can see a general cost to bear 50,000 next time only. But court and say, for money the next chance. So,
are you positive your client is going to win this case?
it is tried. Every lawyer here, you can ask every lawyer here. It is tried learning, say, you be winning. I tried learning. To me, dakura me research. Because you have been here, yes. Oh, yes. There's no other. You see, the Supreme Court has spoken. And this High Court is bound by the decision of the Supreme Court. And the authorities are there. So, I don't know what they have under their sleeves, but it's quite interesting.
The who was your penny this year, I say, that did indicate that
Omoba no bedroom Abuya as Mujabuan, so Moban Quan, they are no bedroom. Yes, your pass me.
Anyway, at the end, I will catch Yamami Akosua Serwaa, Onya Botoyam, and
Oda ona Oniama Nebia. And in fact, if you have social media cry, almost sympathize with it. No Dawson. As your mom time. Now, Obia on your slave will be our support.
I'm running anywhere, social media will support. I'm running anywhere.
I'm running, sir. Many slave queen to be a kuna. Maybe so. Oya can slave queen kuna. And Puna kuna. And Tim ran any money and in a division.
In the contest, when is sleeping?
Oh, so then you also be, sir. Obia won't what you be could be a slave queen.
Lumba nearby now.
Baba Koto Bebo, Akosua Serwaa Chido. I'm a Ghana engineer who say a new man, so the Lumba in your Bema. Or new man, open your Akosua Serwaa. And Grafon on social media, Lumba near may a coordinate they are busybodies. For beyond Sumau. Power for Oma di papa. Akosua Serwaa so sisi enye se binyame me nkwa meti ase o. Me ma me makosua lord ye. Akosua Serwaa da ona.
Social media no say wo boss no. Enkofo ania bribi no emotional pa titiri abrochirefo a wo mo viso mo so aware ehwe bia na bibi we atum. We hu ni sense nkunimdie koma ye ma me Akosua Serwaa enam so bema ema awade ehun se ampa omawade court na bo ho ban.
There will be liberation, and this case is not circumscribed to Ghana. It's a universal matter. Ghana ni bi obabi or Iceland kura o interest because the boy omawade ho ban. Enti na ye nyina ayire ho aye push se na be wie na obi ate ase se ye nkotare obi ekunu achi nwo toto and fee se no na adekoje aware awade a legal terminology so obi aware ana so obi nware ye o ni obi wu anche se aware no enti me ni otu ayi so ba bi ba so ni Lumba awotu enti ono so be ye kuna asem na abeka
yes one na tena no ho bre ye
anya no kro obtran ho di de washia obi oye star now ni natna wo so wabre de na abre ni sika na udi no wabre na say fans na udi no wabre which one ye kase wo ye kase wo Lumba nu anka ka wo kwa umfa ayi mo maso
no kra se mami Akosua Serwaa ne ni nuanom nya ye be hwehwe kwan Lumba fa so wi
I know there may it's not within my purview obi am instructions tie no me pese me kasa afa ho. Yes.
Lawyer Odini na dey say.
A friend lawyer William Kusi.
Evangelist Papa.
Me a poison the journey na nyamensa. Ebere so ya mi kunu odi na woda no. Nyame kasa fa ni mu. E ma wo ka bibi se me yira Akosua Serwaa. mechire bremu na ho ba asem na newi asemane Ghana man yes amire na akwaze me nanso meyira Akosua Serwaa onye sa abone ne da onyame mo sa minia no enti ano no ena me frɛ ni frɛ brotimem na msi Akosua ne ukunu wagu chire o enti mi di chire gu so ene Lumba se sani awoka so Onyankopɔn de ɔpɛ no korɛ obedi ama wo ene ukunu onyame adi wasama ama ukunu apɛ mu aka ni wo wiase nyina anim sa wo ntimi nya ne saa bɔne ne da amiri Akosua Serwaa asam ɔka sɛ asidan ko Onyankopɔn a ɔde ne ho ato ne so sɛ wayi na firi wɔ haw ɛne amanneɛ mu asam nso baayɛ no anuanom nyinaa yɛhyia yɛka ne sɛ yɛbɔ mpayɛ ɛde anuanua ama sumdue aba oni wɔ kunu abusua saa bere nsɛmpɛnsɛmpɛnsa aba no nyame atutu ne yi ama yɛ enti yɛn nyinaa yɛpa sumdue tie ne yɛnua no kasa ɔnso yɛ asumdue ni asumdue ho asɛm na yɛnim so ɔde wɔnim nyame nti yɛ ne yɛka yɛnim sɛ yɛka wafa ai